What's up, people? This is Eric D. And thanks for tuning in to How to Stretch a Mini Bike Part 2. And if you saw in the beginning there, you have to get yourself some tubular steel and go down to your local metal shop or metal supplier and try to take a piece of your mini bike with you after you cut it in half. And make sure you match up your tubular steel. And the Bajas are usually like 7/8 steel. And you'll need a long piece of 3/4 as well. And we're going to cut 4 sections of the 7/8 8-inch pieces. So you need 4 8-inch pieces of the 7/8, and you need another 4 pieces of the 3/4, and the 3/4 would be 10 inches. So you want like an inch sticking out of each side. So you put the 10 inside the 8. That'll give you an inch on each side. That'll help you connect your 2 halves of your frame. So I'm going to cut a couple pieces here and kind of show you how it all fits together. And like I said, check your local supplier out. There's different thicknesses of steel, and I think it's .095. So the best thing to do is just take half your frame with you. That way you can kind of match it up down there. Make sure you have a nice tight fit, between the 7/8 and the 3/4. So they should fit inside each other, like so. And the reason you want that inch sticking in the frame on each side is to have a good bond when you start welding. And a good way to do it too is just notch the ends of each of the frame pieces before you connect them all together. That way you can make sure you weld into the inner frame. And, it just makes a tight bond all the way around. You don't have to worry about flexing or your frame cracking or anything like that. So, if you notch both sides and use a piece of angle iron to clamp it all together, and that'll keep it from, makes everything straight and true once you clamp it all together. You can never have enough clamps. So clamp your angle iron to the back of each connection of the tubular metal, and everything should line up nice and true and straight. And what I like to do is just make a couple tacks first, especially in between the notches, and then I'll go back around and kind of weld everything up. And welding those notches first just ensures you have a good weld between the inner 3/4 that you put in there and the outer 7/8 that you have. So it's all tied together, and you won't have to worry about anything, like I said, cracking or breaking on you. So it came out pretty good, man. And if I went a little too fast, just leave me a comment, or if you missed something, let me know. I'll help you out. And like I said, the next go round we're gonna put a live axle wheel and sprocket and all that stuff on there, brakes. So tune in next time, man.